We may be a little more than a month away from the next Unpacked event, at which Samsung will unveil the next generation Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. While the latter model is rumored to feature more noticeable design improvements due to a bigger folder-shaped cover screen, the book-like foldable may take a camera approach to its outside and concentrate on enhancing other elements. Until recently, practically all of the buzz around the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has been based around the assumption that the future foldable flagship would feature a new water drop hinge, which will not only make the phone more robust, but will also make the crease a lot less obvious. Now we have news that this may not be the case. According to credible source Ice Universe, the crease on the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be 15% less than that on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. This seems to be a little decline since the water drop hinge is intended to be a revolution in design and take better care of the crease, but it appears that this will not be the case. According to other recent claims, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 will be the first foldable phone to be rated IP58 for dust and water resistance. In terms of specs, we may anticipate customized variations of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 exactly like the Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as worldwide Qualcomm availability. That's nothing new for the Z series, since the Z Fold 4 didn't have an Exynos model. The previous generation coupled 12 GB of RAM with up to 1 TB of USS 3.1 storage. We anticipate that trend to continue for another year, although with the expected inclusion of UFS 4.0 storage following in the footsteps of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. On Twitter, Ice Universe reports that he has precise information on the crease on the Z Fold 5. He claims to have seen the real device and claims that, despite having the new water drop type hinge, the crease appears identical to the Z Fold 4. We'll find out soon enough, as Samsung will unveil the Z Fold 5 at the Unpacked event next month on July 26th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.